Hi. Um, I wrote a little song called Thank God. It's about me feeling like I'm not living my life correctly. And I should be happy that God gave me this life. He didn't have to. Yeah. Practically finished it, but yeah. I live in the USA. All my friends and family. You're with you, I will never have a love. I want it. My mama kisses me goodnight. Never mind, close my eyes. Never saw the I have started. I go away. Look up and never pray. Until the day when all that's gonna change. I look up to the sky and say, dear God, thank you for my life right now. I'm sorry for the way I've been living it so far. Now I'm happy to get home finally. For me, I'm the you are me. That's it. Thank you.